bit. Third bit question says ki suppose a quantity x can be dimensionally represented in terms of mlt. X equals to m power a l to the power b t to the power c, the quantity of mass. So which will be the quantity of mass? So x is represented as m to the power a l to the power b t to the power c. X equals to m to the power a l to the power b t to the power c. So the quantity of mass. So what will be the quantity of mass? So quantity of mass, option A, can always dimensionally represented in terms of LTX. X can be represented always in terms of LTX. So mass, so the quantity of mass can always be represented, dimensionally represented in terms of LTX. So this is not correct, because if a quantity to be represented, that is to be represented in form of MLT. So this in terms of LTX is not correct. So quantity like X is a quantity, physical quantity, that has the dependence mass, length and time, but it cannot have the dependence LTX. So because X is also a length quantity, repetition of length occurs here, so this option is not correct. So option B can never be dimensionally represented in terms of LTX. Can never be dimensionally represented in terms of LTX. So can never be dimensionally represented, can never be. So mass can never be represented in terms of LTX. So LT is there, X is also length quantity, similarity is there. So that's why this is not correct. Option C may be represented in terms of LTX if A not equals to 0. So this is also not correct. So D may be represented in terms of LT and X if A not equals to 0. If A not equals to 0, if A not equals to 0, that means A is mass equals to m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. If A is not equals to 0, A is not equals to 0, that means there is a possibility that there is a possibility A is 1, there is a possibility A is 1, and there is a possibility A is 1 and B equals to 0, C equals to 0. Then this satisfies कि mass can also be represented m to the power 1. So A not equals to 0. In the previous question A is 0. If A is 0, so m can be represented m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. If A is 0, m equals to how much? L to the power b, t to the power c. So this is not satisfying. So this is not correct. This is not correct, or this is not satisfying. So this option is correct, because there is a possibility is there that this can be this. There is a possibility that may not be correct, but there is a possibility is there. So that's why this option D is correct.